Boy, boy, na 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 na. Boy, boy, hey, she's calling your phone just to check up on you. Only you. There's no reply, but still she texts hi. All she really needs is to hear the sound of your voice. Ooh, she can't wait to meet you, patiently waits for your call. Hey, all she wants is you, so won't hurt you. Dreaming of the day to say I do. Cause all she wants is you. She wants you, just you. All she wants is you. Mama, baby.
What is your name they know? Hello. How are you there? We're on the saddle. Alright.
Brother, you know, sir, a new bigger coming.
I like that.
Yeah, man, a new catty, brother.
Oh, you do it in a member ass. Yo, you're cool.
Well, that's the shit come up. But you know, nothing stable. Yeah, man, new one, man. Nice, man.
Want to go on, babe?
Mama, there, you good?
Yeah.
It's Leah.
So you look so.
The key up on the arm. You see right as you go in, just pull the door, man. Door open. Here, me soon come. Alright, mama?
Hurry up, you know, but I'll stay along with him.
Alright, mama. I come, man.
What you find on there?
Brother, let me tell you something. You see, them attracted to me, I don't know, like, anywhere me go, with a supermarket, me go a bar. You understand me? I say, me go to church. But she at church, me find her, you know? Yeah, man, Sunday day church, we run so.
Jeez.
Yeah, man, I tell you rough.
Good girl gone bad?
Well, she knew something, know what going on yet. She all gone bad. You don't know, it's a weekend thing with you, you know?
Yo,
brother.
Still nice, still. Proper setting, man.
Proper, man, she nice, man. She
Yeah, man,
firm, you know?
cool, man. See, man.
Cause yo, brother, the last girl that come here, you know, last weekend, you know. I have to run her away, you know. Cause guess I know. The girl that tell me a kind of situation about, like, alright, make we do what we do first now. Then you tell me about the bills them now.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, she tell me about flow bill, she tell me about light bill, she tell me about, but she not tell me like she said pay for it, you know. She just bring it up in one conversation. Every conversation.
You know them type of girl there.
Brother.
Yeah, man, them want you fi
say,
take
yeah,
the
man.
initiative and say, me can't sort out that, man.
And if you don't say, you're dirty, man.
Yeah, them nah go on link. Brother, but me don't know how you do it still, you know, brother.
It's a room you smell body, man. When you smell so. People are them and you can't change him for a case. This no look good. Call my friend, yeah. Tell her to see me reach. Yeah. Susie. I reach. Yeah, I reach and there I'm alright. Him there downstairs I talk to him friend. Must be Leroy or something like that him name. I don't even know how him get that name there from. Like name did done by him parents. Oh, alright, later. Alright.
Chris, how you manage every single week, so? Every weekend you have something fresh. Every week you check.
Brother.
You back not here?
No, I'm mad, man. Exercise, you know. Exercise. Yeah, man. That me use to exercise. How I'm doing, I'm going to the hospital to get a box of boots. Free boots then. I'm going to maintain to buy boots every time, so. Yeah, man. One box of them.
You use here?
Yeah, man. I mean, them trunk, you know. Them my trunk, brother. Them my trunk is one. Don't want nobody fool you because you can't take no chance in my days. Because if they're running so quick, what you think they're running with the next man and waiting?
Well, that's true.
That's true. That's true.
Because them depend this hit and run thing, you know, these days, you know.
I tell you, man, myself is something, you know.
Yeah, man.
But we saw going with that one, because, you know.
She have a sister?
No, I don't know much about her, you know, say.
Church sister?
Well, she must have church sister. Yeah. But we don't really know much what going on it. But we'll find out. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're going to know what going on. What year what?
I'm going here too.
Yeah. That means that's the one again, you know. Brother, pick up yourself.
All right, me there, go and count.
Yeah.
But I'm flopping now.
Yeah, man.
Because I watch it, I have a time up on the watch.
There. Sorry, man.
What happened? Why your room smells so?
No, you are going now. You see, I get wet in the rain, and I never bring out my clothes at the same time, so the boot then get look soak and sitting.
See, I could change a pillowcase.
A pillowcase?
All the sheet look like you want change.
What about that, man? But everything organized, you know, we can't change. So what happened, girl? Jesus Christ, just a cuss for you come here, so what happened? You alright?
Yeah.
You there?
I'm there.
So how was church? Cause, you know, last time I see you, you know, I meet you at church. How was church? You go back at church since?
I go back at church from that, you know. Yeah, I'm stressed out. And me, I do a work. I can't get the time for God church. I can't get the time for go out. I can't get the time for do nothing.
Rough. I'm
That's how work.
But I'm glad you can come check me on the weekend. We enjoy ourselves, man, and things. Tell me a little more about you. What you want to do? Like, some girls love play dolly and them something, but some girls...
No, I don't like play with dolly.
Exactly. They want to find what kind of girl
No. I am adventurous, but not them the kind of lady. I like go out, try new things, you know, just explore. I'm the type of person that just like try different things and new things. Yeah. I'm like nice things.
I know my things are nice. You know
I'm not like man with gibbon.
No, me do them something.
Make sure.
No, man. So, alright, talk to me. So, what kind of arrangement you want? Because last year I move so fast, and I say, you know, it depends on the kind of relationship you want. Because I want to know, you know, I want to be the perfect man for you. So, how can I make that happen? Tell me what I'm going, because I don't want to try a thing. You know, some girl will always say, boy, make you find out and all them something. I don't depend on that. So, tell me. Is it that you want if you be more romantic, you like them something? What? You like?
Alright. Me now, I like man romantic. So if you can be more romantic and them thing there, then fine, yeah, you good. I don't like liar man. I like man who go tell me the truth. Even if you know in yourself say, yo, it a gonna hurt me. Tell me the truth. I know why you tell me not like. So be straightforward, be honest, and make me know.
Some man are really...
Well, you is not some man, you is you, so you have to go do that.
No man, me straightforward, I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm
For the sake of you and me, you have to go do that, so it's either right.
I like you, you don't know that already, I like energy, I like a vibe, and thing, and you know, if you want to take it to the next level, or if you want to have some fun and then decide, because you know you want to put a ring on your finger, see your finger them pretty, watch there. A ring for your finger. So,
yes.
So we can just cut off that song.
Because me, you know, say I foolish, say I talk. Anyway, think me that?
No, come on. Leah, come on, Leah. We talk on the phone already and we discuss certain things. Me a text. Last time I say, you send me nice picture and all these things. Me have to take it serious.
Alright.
You understand? Yeah.
Alright.
Somebody say me nah go do certain things that me yeah of course but me different. I'm not like those guys.
I don't know if you just talking more.
Nah man. I'm not just a talk.
But anyways, we up to the rest of the year now. Your friend gone?
No man, he live down the road there, so I'm just going back.
I do like that boy there, no.
You like
I don't like
no
him.
people like him.
I take him, man. I don't like him. Where the pan do?
Let me
You
say.
eat already?
No, mom, you eat some nice food. So you like
Or we are
it?
going to go pan the road and you have to cook?
I don't know where you want. Anything you
Me
want?
not cooking, you have to cook?
I can't cook. I can't cook.
Oh,
Only
you
curry
have to
chicken.
cook.
No.
I don't know, I don't know, baby.
No, that. I only thing I learn to cook.
So,
I am
I
frying
only
some
think
egg.
my daddy know if you cook.
No, that me learn to cook. I am frying some egg and bread.
I don't want no egg and bread. The Bible says man shall not live by bread alone. Me no want no egg and no bread.
So can I mix the egg with rice then?
No, I don't want no rice. I want food. Some big fish and them thing there. So if you can make, we go down pan the what they call that place? The system.
What they call Oche?
Little Oche or one of them place. They gonna make we get some down pan the seed side. Gonna make we get some fish and them thing there for buy. Fine.
Well, down on the west side, we don't really have liquor watching.
So yeah, figure
So
find we and make you go look what you call that more.
So next weekend, the other
So
weekend.
me have to wait till me hungry now.
No,
me have to
listen.
still wait till next weekend to get to see.
No, but that me say. Me I say, what we go on now, different from what we go on like Ochi to get the lobster. Me go fix some food. I want.
I don't want no curry chicken because you not run my belly. I'm sorry, you not run for my belly. Wait, what go on now? Curry chicken?
You wait though.
Me no want no bread, me no want no curry chicken, me no want no egg and no
Hold on,
rice.
man, hold on.
I suffer, you can't me have to suffer?
No, not like that, no.
Okay, me done, I've had enough separation in my life, me no want no more.
I go freshen up, Miss Arthur.
See, I can't go buy the fish?
What do you mean? So me I say go freshen up and I will a little bit
I
and...
don't want a little fish and I never say I want scrap, I want big fish. So if you can't afford it, you can't go down there.
Go fresh up and relax, man. Come, you know, cause my thing you promise me and say you can do. Go fresh up, man.
Just make sure I say, me get me fish. Because if me don't get
Yeah,
me fish,
get a fish, man.
what me promise you, I got. Wake up. Wake up.
Awa.
Wake up.
Awa.
Hungry. You make call son come out, come catch me. Wake up.
I want you.
You get about this about to me. Wake up. I'm hungry. I need to get up and look something give me to eat. I'm hungry.
Leah, I'll make your phone them just close
By
together.
the way, I don't want to hear nothing. I'm going to your phone. I'm going to search your phone. Who name Leroy?
What do you mean say who name Leroy? Something wrong with you?
Oh, you don't understand what I mean?
No,
You don't understand all of a sudden. Who name Leroy?
I'm a virgin one downstairs. What you talking about?
So who name Leroy, friend?
Leroy friend or Leroy friend? One next brethren, you want to call him?
So me look like me, look at Leroy friend. So Leroy friend now no name, I couldn't save Leroy friend as whatever name in your phone.
I want you.
Are you that tell me for?
No.
So when you did meet me, you see big idiot print out from my forehead.
That's cool, man. And stop making. Why you make your morning mash up because of these vibes and all?
Fuck. You know, say a time for me come move in with you now. Because all this while, you come like I just take me for a weekend, girl. And what you take this thing for? Every time I want to come stay with you, come over for the weekend. You can't come over for the weekend. I'm busy. I'm not there throughout the week. I don't want to come over the weekend. I want to live there with you. So I can pack my things them and I move in. I don't know what you are going to do, but I pack my things them and I come in to live here.
Yeah, listen to me. In the initial state, we never plan say, I just right away things go happen. So we have to make time and things take its course and we see what I want.
1 year now we there. 1 year now we are there. And every single time I come around here, always weekend. Never in a weekday, never. Always weekend. How you tell me for?
No, because
Me look like a weekend girl.
Yo, listen to me, man.
No,
Stop
say
saying that,
you can't try to take
man.
me
No,
for.
man. Listen, man. Leah.
You know, say a style you try to style me.
No.
And why you have a next man that come here during the week, so you can't come
No,
here.
work during the week. What you talk about?
Yeah.
Leah, alright, you are going. Go get ready. I'm going to carry get some food to eat. Because I can't do cooking this morning. I'm tired.
So I could have me give me.
No, I'm not going to. I say, go eat and talk about it more. Alright?
What me I go eat? What me I go get for eat?
Anything you want, anything. Come, you're ready now.
Make sure now.
I mean, come. We're going to nice restaurant right now.
That's good. So listen, man, me talk to you. So, babe, I understand that sometimes you might say me do you a certain type of way or I talk to you a certain type of way, like this morning when I wake you up upset and all of that, but I don't really mean none of that, and I just want, sometimes I want to around you, like, I want can day around you, wake up to see you every morning, just did it with you and just did it for you and day around you, cook for you, clean, wash, keep the place clean for you and all of them things there. But it come like you just have me as a weekend girlfriend and that get me upset. Me I look to your phone this morning and see you have somebody saving your phone as Leroy friend. And you can't tell me who is Leroy friend.
Leroy friend. No, I know I'm true Leroy.
Anyways, that pass and God already, man. We talk about now. So when you say we can move in, because I'm interested in my badly want to move in, like I feel like a full time now for me live with you,
That's true, but give me, alright. Is that after the weekend I come? Well, yeah, we can think about the next month.
So why if we wait until after the weekend? Why
work.
You can't just tell me?
No, I'm working, so I forget some stuff done that weekend.
But me, you got to work, me not got there.
No, man, decide. So this is, alright, here we go, dude. We're going to decide what we're going after then time then. So we know exactly what we are going to do. Come here, go comfy and pack up the stuff then. And maybe go rent one bus or one truck. We don't know how much things you come with. Right? So we have to decide.
Fair enough. Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
So get ready now and think, because I don't want the bus. Miss you.
No, I'm going so quick,
I know, man, but that's how you go. Another weekend, next weekend. Alright? Yeah. I'm gonna reach up, Yeah?
You know, some African, we don't mean right.
Make sure you call me right away, but go up on your food. You love food, Yeah? So now hug up.
I'll do it.
Easy, You tired?
Alright.
Don't eat first before you call me, yeah?
Okay.
Call me, then you eat.
Grow up now already. So you done so fast.
Leroy, I know you're around here,
Just hear the door open.
What you do, Slam? I'm going to tell you, say, watch out, me I got job too.
I say a week out, man.
You! I tell you, say, yo.
I'm gonna deal with you proper then.
I know, say, I gotta be honest with you. That one, kind of, she had changed the mood for the whole weekend thing. I guess I know. Every time a girl come, them get too clingy, dog. Too clingy, and
That's what you do.
Women don't expect them to get so clingy and go on like say they want a movie now. Because that one I talk about movie,
Yeah, sir. So fast and I first see my forward.
First, yes, yeah. You understand?
So you coming already?
Yeah, man, come early at night, late at night and think. I know, so right time a church service. I best time for
A
the
church?
sneak one.
Oh, you did see a church girl?
Yes, and she say man.
Them body, no?
Yeah, dangerous man.
I tell you.
Things what them do. Out the road people have no, I mean. They're not even aware of the situation.
So you say mama ready for moving?
Yeah, man. Right now, man. My next one I forward in the next 2 days, so I try to get some time on rest of the So you say, though? You touch the street?
Well, I'm there, you know. I'm going easy still, but probably link up and run on the road later on, you know.
Yeah, man, come here, I wonder safe, you know, because, yo, right now, I just want some time for those reason, some positive reason, because the woman, the only thing she has reason about her, sickle down and a certain phone, brother.
Already?
All a certain phone, brother. I said to myself, say, it does not add up.
You have to clip them things if I'm early out,
Yeah,
you
man,
know?
nip it in the bud, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Nip
man,
it.
you have to, yeah, man. Man, if you search up man phone.
But that means a wrong sign right now.
Red flag.
Exactly, because that means I don't have no freedom. I don't have no type of, you know what I mean, personal zone. You know what I mean?
No man have no right to do them things. Man.
Yo, me see wanna come the weekend. Me see what as Leroy friend. So when she see the number on her phone, she asked, who is Leroy friend? So I said, duh, I'm Leroy friend.
You know, easy, you know, boy.
Brother, I say, when I said to her, I said, call the number. Eh? Heart start beat and I terribly, you know. I said, alright, you know, do it. A good girl, man. So, them things I said to myself, say, yo, just make it remain that way, but she try to put it to the next level. I don't know why. Well, you know,
Probably she say husband material.
well, she ever go on different shop, we'll get that.
But Jesus. That's how you know. You know, says you. Because here where you do. You carry the females them forward and you give them a treatment that they have never received before. And you show them certain levels. And them accept this and get comfortable in the settings and want more of this. So they automatically want you for themselves. I don't feel like that work with you. You just make people feel comfortable in them zone, you know. And then you just kick them to the curb.
I run some medicine. For real. The flowers, you know. But the thing is, tell me something. If you meet a girl, you tell her, say, yo, miss, you know, for one try, one or more. Think you're going to follow with her? You're not going to follow with her.
Well, if you have the money, certain way they will do it, you know.
Yeah, that's true. But
if you're upfront with the money, man, they will take the one or more, man.
Can't bother, you know. How long me I walk in the sun now when me reach so nobody not there so. So him there. Oh, this one. Hello? Chris up there? How long me know me fi go and turn up and wait? I don't like them sitting here, man.
hello?
Chris, where you there? You know how long me dey down at your gate here so? Me turn up so till me can't take it no more. Me I'll come in here and then knock on the door and I call upstairs. I one girl me see I look through the window me I ask where you them and say you're not there. Listen to me, man, you don't have no time for wasting on the sun hot. Me come to work, you know, I waste my time. Me have other places to go do other work. I choose to come do your work first and I come like a style.
No, man, you have one. the big thing about that thing is, me never remember see her fall, but me gone on the road, and me not get to come in till later at night. I don't know if you can come back tomorrow.
No, me can't come back tomorrow. Don't do it. Me cannot. No, me cannot. I can't. Me can't come back because me not no time to waste. Chris, me not no time to waste with you. You think so me a little careless butterfoot rubber tail girl them? You must be mad. Me have elsewhere if you go do work and not go for your yard alone me work. No man.
About me kill this girl.
No, because of your then girl they me see they par with nowadays a bar all about and all over the place and like some little careless man. You know?
Me no, wait. That have nothing to do with you working for me, no miss. I wonder if you understand that.
It have a lot because all you think it have a lot because all you think know say me always come then time of day yeah. Come clean up your house and wash your dirty clothes them. And you go tell me say you forgot. You remember but when I little idiot girl them you gone with. Me know cause me here.
You hear so what? Me purposely not left the key, for me always left the key. I come and move out fast this morning. Things change.
Okay, whatever you're gonna do more important than to clean up your place. Anyway, me have to go now because me have one next move to make. About 3 houses me have to go start out. And me choose to come a year one first and see if they're gone. Me waste my time come around here and nice fun. Me not even have no fear for take taxi and just make me walk for nothing at all.
You will get extra fear if I next day fall out, here. But sorry about that. Alright?
Damn lucky. Sorry about that, I might not come back.
In my moments, I really love it.
Oh, yes.
Adventurous person, what? You have to see the atmosphere of it.
And I can tell you something.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just glad how you always be a man of your word and me appreciate you. You know, thank you so much for being the great man in my life. You know what I mean? You're as you always say, we do your best and make sure it's alright. And I'm comfortable, and let me tell you, I'm comfortable with you. And I hope that I spend the rest of my life with you.
We are going to spend as much weekend as we can and enjoy ourselves.
Not just the weekend, babe. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are we talking? Question or reason about that? And we have to, you know, both comfortable in every situation, living and all these things. You know what I mean? Yeah, talk about it's them days are very relaxing.
You like it here?
You know, so this morning, no, yesterday I got the evening. But the girl will take such a long time to do it.
It's fine though, I like it.
You like it? So babe, how you say we're going to do it?
I don't know, what you want the first day? We're going to take a swim, we're going to do skinny dipping or something. But yeah, we never take up a shot in the car at the same time.
You can get him, just relax every time. Enjoy the moment. One thing I appreciate, you know, is just see your love, you always rub me down and, you know, you lie down on me and something there.
Just know something, go always be here for you, babe, and as long as you do the right thing, me go always be a girl. Always, me just there for you. And you know, say that every king need a queen, though.
True.
And every good queen need a real king.
Well said.
Right?
Love that, baby. You were good enough. Come and get me hungry, you know. You want to get me
hungry? He man not finish with the fish. Go and go check on him, man. He can't be the order 2 fish and lobster, you know.
But that man there, I think.
But me order a fish already, me order them already.
Them not the fish good over here, so. Cause I go and cook some food, man.
Me order a fish already and me can't do that to them. Me order a fish already.
You order fish already?
Yes, me order a fish already. Me tell him to put lemon on it and something. So he go, we order. Me tell him how to do it.
Alright, so we get it then. I'll go check him now. I'll go check him and then take it.
Come on, I'll get some for you.
Yeah. Babe,
God, are you turning off your fan, babe?
my phone, I can get chip out like sitting wrong in the card. But no,
Hot.
no. Tell me something.
Good morning.
Morning. How was your sleep? You still good?
I had a good night rest, yes.
Dreaming, sitting, come here, you're talking and dreaming. Mm.
Let me see.
Do it! Do it! Do it again!
I don't believe you.
No!
God.
But tell me something, babe. I want you to say a plan to leave. I want you to plan to leave.
What my plan for leave?
Because today I'm Monday. I'm going to start, go to work. I'm have, you know, so I'm working on weekdays.
I don't understand what you mean when my plan for leave. Leave go where?
Like, go back to your house.
I not go nowhere. I never had a plan for go nowhere. What you mean? I don't understand you, B.
So, remember, so everything is always, you know, you roll in for the weekend and
No, me live here now. Me go live.
huh?
I decide to just live here with you and done.
But baby, I can't think for that just like that. You have to talk to me. A decision what we have to make together, because remember, you know, a good while now we'll do it and then, you know,
No,
lifestyle.
what do you mean? Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep and then you wake up. When I wake up, you talk to me. Go back to sleep. I gotta use the bathroom. When you go back to sleep, when you wake up, then you talk to me. Gosh, I want to sleep.
Oh, this I know. I'm a phone. Leroy, me not problem. Me not, yeah, big problem. You remember the, listen to me, I say, man. She got a bathroom. Listen, me, maybe. She just start peep. Yo, listen to me, I say. You remember Murty? She said she don't want to leave the yard. She said she move in and live here permanent. Yeah, you have to help me, brother. Some. Eh? What do you mean you can't help me today? Some. Alright, yeah, man, so. Wait, so come by the church later on. Yeah, man, we can always come by the church. Youth meeting tonight? Yeah, man, so, yeah. We organize it. Yeah, man, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Alright. Yeah, man, tonight, youth meeting, tonight, yes. Oh, okay, alright, cool. Marty, I think we need to talk, you know. Babe.
Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. When I wake up, you talk to me.
Alright, me go to the door and go,
Try and fix the fan before you go outside, please. In your hot.
I think you can't need to shoot around. Merci.
Fix the fan in your hot. Oh God.
Sister. Problem. Big problem. You know something really in I'm sure we're gonna not really nice second long thing like that yet. And you know, you have a few ways me have to think about whom if you choose and all this. Because I have, you know, quite a few. Yeah, mommy, I use protection, of course. You know me already. A box of hospital boots. Yeah. But you have a
Chris.
few long... Favor.
I run here so you them me a call you and me can't get you every minute me come off your doorway. I want.
Sister, me call them back, yeah? Favor, me don't tell you so me sorry for what I go on already. You understand?
You know, so me almost turn back door. You were so me a call you so long and you not answer. Me think you're in your house and we run and say you did there. Every time you do there something here. Me come here yard, me have to call you and can't get you. Next time me come in and tell you, I know Chris.
Favor.
Me now go call you on your phone, me just turn back.
Favor. Alright, you are going. Me apologize again because sitting when I go on where me I try to get me I try to sort out in my mind, you know. Because me have one little situation, but me don't know me never yet talk to you about certain things because the last time you talked to me on the phone, you cussed me about the this and the that, the who me have up there from who me have up there and all these things. But right now me have money up there more and get out of there. I don't know if you can help me with a favor there. Like, I don't know,
Where you call my name for? Just throw my name favor. Me must go and do one favor to you. No. Look here. Now where you take me for, Chris?
your friend.
The last time me come in your yard and couldn't get in touch with you, one girl there upstairs tell me say you know the year. Me don't know if I want your girl them or whatever. Then me call you on the phone. After me I tell you about your butterfoot rubber tail girl, me go say, oh, that end up in that. Now you can tell me same one. If you can do something for you, pertaining to girl, what you want me do?
I'm going to pay you. If I'm money you want me, pay you.
You're not even pay me good. You wash your liquor.
I not pay you good. Look how much money me pay you. And I like some wear my clothes often. Because man no wear clothes. So I just 3 pants me have.
Man no wear clothes. You want naked?
Man no wear clothes like a woman wear clothes.
How woman wear clothes? You start disrespect woman. How woman wear clothes?
Disrespect.
What you mean?
I try to show the amount of clothes one wear a week. We just wear maybe 3 pants and that is it. We have to wear different everything from match and all them.
That you mean so we change more clothes down?
Change more clothes down. So
or change often more down?
More clothes, everything.
More clothes.
Because we beat one time a day.
Oh,
also.
I wonder where you did that about.
Favor, I'm not going in that situation, man. You can't help me out.
What you want me to do?
Run her out of the, find something I don't know and get her out of the house. You know you're creative. Yes.
Me?
Yes.
You can run out one of your kettle them from out of your house. Me in a business?
No, but me I say help me no man.
So how me catch in a your girl argument? No. Me I rewind it back on you. That you did ask me. What cost it? For me, you have to choose. Look how much friend you have. Me are your friend and me your helper. Because me wash your dirty clothes, everybody. Listen to me, man. Me wash your dirty clothes, then me clean up your place. Sometimes me like cook you like I say, I want you. Yeah. No, me fi can run out for your woman. Because you want girl fi come in an argument with me.
I'm a woman, but it's a woman but you know, me and she, you know, been there, done that. You can help me out?
You're not in a business or no business?
We in a business and we do business, you know, we not
so, you do business?
No, business like business, you know, but we go through one.
So you're not did there or you're not there now?
Me and she do things, but we start do the things and that's it. But she want to live there. Me know in that.
So why when you meet you see on a dirty man's face?
No, but I go there so.
No, me I go in there. No, but in there so me I go. Yes, Christopher, listen reality. This is a fact. It still remains. Why you go and put yourself with one woman where you know you never want a personal relationship with for the future? You just want a one night stand. So when you feel hot, you call a girl. So she a dog.
And no matter when you feel hot, your dog man start up there again.
Yeah, because when dog want front, so then go on, war. So when you want the girl in an argument with him and sitting.
Favor,
and when you know.
Yeah, I don't know if you can show me right now. I don't know if you can.
So me and girl no in an argument.
No.
Me and you no there.
An argument.
Me don't go work for you, me and your friend, and me must just go throw girl out of your place
no,
for like
man,
me in a
just
business.
me know say you're creative here, but just cool, man. Just go tell her something, man. Tell her something about the place.
So me have to go tell her lie now, say me and you in a business. Or when they do you act like I say me and your wife, or me and your girlfriend, or your sweetheart.
Nobody tell her that because she will fight.
So me afraid of girl?
No, no matter that. I don't want that kind of conflict there right now. Just tell her. Me know you have something creative here, man.
So where you send me go? There's no problem you put me in. So if girl go fight me, you know, I'm if you turn up and fight.
No, I don't want to fight. Me would do that still, but me don't want to fight. That's all I say. Understand? Me know you're creative.
Me I take a deal. What's the price? How much money you give me? You're quick for ask me to do favor for you. No, you're they slow down for damn blast it. Tell me how much money you got. Look here.
10,000.
Who you give that? You already give me chicken feed. Monkey change.
So no 2 times me pay me I give you.
2 times.
Me I give you 10,000. Me not pay me I give you 10,000 after favor.
Me no idiot. Me not take no 10 grand from you. Where from you so with it?
So much you want?
That a drinks money. That can't even send me daughter Kirisha a school for the week, much less.
So much you want?
You know how far my daughter school there? And it's not a walking distance. You know what for food? Everything there. Me not take no $10,000 from you if you go put myself in a trouble. You idiot and suppose me end up in a jail. You're gone about your business. You're not even to get liar for me, not even bail you that bail me. You think me idiot, me know your dirty style. How much money you give me? Take out 10 and 20 and 30 and 40. Remember, you better make sure you go over 100 because serious work them. Remember, if you go over 100,000 because serious work them here, you already robbed me.
Favor, you really got that 100,000 for this?
Look on your dirty clothes. Look here. You think a boy?
Alright,
if you
Favor.
sit down and wash your dirty clothes and you're not paying me good already.
Alright, Favor, me give you
Sometimes I have to cash soap and you know give me back his soap money. To wash your thinking clothes them. No man, you already robbed me. No. Go over 100. How much? What you say? You did I say so?
Me get 100,000.
100 flat. Me say make sure you go over 100. You have to give me the least money that take me not tell no lie. Is 150 right now.
Me bumpers.
What you mean?
This is extortion.
What you mean extortion? So when you did go extortion people, woman, where you no want? No, you must find another girl you want to get rid of this girl. And me I use. Oh, so you take me for granted. Come here, clean up your place and you not pay me good already and me I do all kind of
stuff. Alright, 150. But that
150 what?
150,000. But that
so what make you a stammer? Me no jokes. Because anyhow me do this work and get rid of the girl out of the house. You have to give me my money.
No, just
a matter of fact, me a long talking with you. Chris, me know your dirty thinking style. When me get rid of, look here. Give me up your phone and let me put my account number in there. You have to give me a 5 money for now. Yeah, when me done do the deal.
Yeah, I don't see our accounts.
See it there.
Alright.
See it there now. Everything about me if you tell you.
Alright, see it.
You want me tell you my business, so you should have known my account. You did I send me money?
See it.
You ain't go send me or you did I send me?
I cash me money pay me some.
Cash.
Sometimes I know say I come here on Monday and me stop at ATM machine. You don't say I have account number.
You lucky, see it there. And make sure say, send it now. Me go check my phone, me left it on charge. Send it now, let me see half of it. 75 and 75 how much?
75 80.
Big don't sound fool. 75 and 75 are 80.
I trouble man.
Damn fat.
Yeah, but that's cool, man.
Send 75,000 in my account. And I want the next 75 as the deal done.
Yeah, see they saying, look. See him the money and account number.
You're lucky. Sound good that you want me to do?
Yes, man. And still clean the place and that's it.
Oh. Still clean the place. Remember say, no. This a deal here with the girl to run out girl out of house and sing to me. Remember say no. It's another job you give me. So my money where when they rob me for a long time, they give me chicken feed and monkey money to clean up this and wash this and cook this and do all kind of things. Guess what? That different from this. Come no, you have to hear. No, you see my money.
So you get your 160,000. You have your cash upstairs. You have your cash, your 10,000 away normally get for wash and clean place.
You get 10,000.
Your cash now is there, say cash upstairs. So come on, come on, she get to come shoot their sleep. Come in.
So I go wake up the girl out and sleep.
Yeah, I forgot
Hey,
what.
not tell you no lie, no. Me take on the workshop, I want the money, but me tell you something, you want wicked, dirty piece of man, you know. Chris, you're wicked, you know, if you tap use woman, you know.
No use woman. So them not use me.
How?
Them a get them comfort. Eh?
You
And
not-
me have to buy all my steam fish and all these things. Them a get comfort too, you know. Me buy them good things. What you talk about? Come on now, I feel I don't want to get in that. Ready?
Steam fish.
Ready.
A steam fish you talk about.
Wow, my son come. Sir.
Wake up, me have something to talk to you about. Wake up.
And who you be?
I'm here help a year so. You just end up in a day here anytime I come. You see that yard there? I'm more than one woman come here. And I know you don't live here, so I must sometimes come here because you know how much time you come clean up this dirty place here. Girl, you manage to stay here, so.
What you mean?
How long since you're there? Because I never come here yet come see you. What your name? My name Favor.
Merty, my name.
Murty? Murty, I'm sorry for you if you turn it too long. I'm going to tell you something, but do if you chat, me in a big problem. You understand me? At the first me they see you, me no know you, but at your guard me they put you upon else you go get in a big problem. And if you are no family, if you know, you go back home to them and stay so that house and me no know how you aunt did so. In a torment so till. Girl, every girl, I must see you at best good looking this one me think can come here. But if you want your life, you better come out. Cause see same thing, heater kill me from me enter out there so. Hey, you don't know what? Chris I want a little gigolo. What girl he have? Girl come we fall in love with him. Girl we like, girl we not like. Girl we like him and girl we not like him. So you have little change. But guess what? None of them can stay ya.
Why?
Then just stay for a while and then they gone. I don't know, but then they come back up on a woman say they in a war, then I vex with them, you know. Girl, dope you that torment them, dope you all ride them off. If you turn you too long, your front a go swell, dope you ride you off.
What you mean?
What you mean, what me mean? You don't feel the heat? Me have to help you. Take up your things them and come out right now. Cause I'm a matter of fact, Chris, now why you know? He no want you.
No, you can't
And
say.
it
Where
come
Chris
like-
there?
Chris?
Where Chris?
Me and him did outside. But he say he ma go down the road, go check his friend vehicle like him a mechanic a Ginal. True, he no want me to tell you in the watch me every move me make him and the back of me. They watch me, he no want me to tell none of the girl them when he can come and say he have demon. Me I wonder if he believe in them rituals in the car. Every girl we left from here, you know why they left? Them a sleep. Him gone a road and then wake up see them front swell. See same thing. But guess what? Them a demon here can't ramp with me. They know say me no afraid of them. So if you know me know pack up your sick name and come. You did have anything in here? Eh? You did have anything in
You
here?
have me bad.
Your bag, which part of your bag there? Which? Mercy?
The blood.
Favor. Who you tell I say? Who you tell I say?
Come here.
I'm afraid of you right now.
How afraid of me?
What do you mean so afraid of you?
What you want to know when me tell her say for me? I want me next 75,000
I
right now. The
first
deal
me
done.
say, hold on.
The deal done. Remember, you know, we make a deal.
Relax. Here what I go. Me gonna give you money, man, but more ask you. Me never see Murty run in my life. And the way I see sprint go down so, not even Merlin Atty, ever run them the kind of sprinting. Knee lift. What you tell I say?
You don't talk.
Me say, what you tell I say?
You want me money now.
That money you want, money you get. I give you money, man.
Me want it. Else me go back, go look for the girl. Cause she tell me where she live. Me know everything about her. She tell me everything on how she catch her yard. And me we just go call her and tell her, say a joke me did I make.
No,
Then
no,
you and
no.
her go in a
You
big
get-
fra-
you get
send,
the
no,
money.
send me money. No.
So when me
Put me
can't give-
account in. My account number they don't in your phone already. Send the rest.
Me
You
a whip
give me-
on one transfer. Listen me I say.
Send me money now. I want my money now. Send it now. No. The deal done. Send it now. Right now, I want it.
I'm tell you
Come
that
for
you know
use
easy.
me. You think
You know,
you
let's
use
just
your-
cool up me.
No. Me want it now. Right now. I'm serious. Cause you can't call me if you do another job for you like that again. Never ever. Come, 75 more. I want it. I remember me 10,000.
Get 10,000 upstairs. I phone one drop one. Get 10,000 upstairs. Me tell her to cash that.
Now you keep my money for me, you know. Okay, you keep it too long so till you act like you forgot and go use it. What you say now? Make sure you say tomorrow you give me 10 grand. You saying that?
Me have it 10 grand upstairs.
You send him, I want to
Hold
say.
on, man. Me have to show you. You just go on so like say me not trustworthy. Look what you do for me a while ago. Me never see murder run fast. Jesus Christ. I know me can't believe it. Me think I dream when me see my blaze pass. Not even me should
Send
stress
him, me tell you what me tell her.
stand up right
Come here,
here.
have something to go. You keep
No,
up me
sir.
time. Give me my money right now.
See it there. See it? See receipt
Oh,
there.
you're lucky.
And it's sent to your your WhatsApp.
You know
What you
me,
tell her,
you know
sir?
me tell her say?
Hey,
Me tell her say you're married.
you
And
lie.
your woman they are foreign.
Hmm.
And she a come tomorrow.
How much you
Her
want?
flight. What? Me tell her say you a gunman. And right now man I look for you, that's where your wife a come from foreign.
Murky.
Cause the same man them where I look for you, them and your wife are friend. So your wife a come give them her money and talk to them. So she gone. The girl says she don't want to lose her life sake of you. Who on you too?
No, I wrong somebody in the merchant station. If
Well,
anybody else in the world would have afraid of people, merchant afraid of people, living people.
so you know see she took off like you saying.
Exactly.
What is your
but
problem? You think you get an idiot figure go dead sake of you? Who on you too?
Hold on. Yo, Leroy.
James, you still at the house?
Yeah, man, I'm in the house right now. I say you have a lot. You know, James is a Christmas. What the backside there, man? You call me phone and I talk about if James. I know James is a brother. James is a junkie on the road there. Chris this. Go on.
Oh, Chris.
But me say me have a lot of things to tell you, Leroy. Alright, yo, me shout it back if I nothing. I call me James, but here, listen me I say. Respect and manners, go and go dating, man. Come need to cool up, me need to go lie down and relax myself.
You see that work where you put me on? Me not do it again.
Me not expect you to do it again.
Suppose when me go upstairs now to the girl and when me go tell her, when me tell her say, she did go drop down up there. Suppose a somebody was sick with their heart. You don't say I want wicked dirty thinking man. But that the nice pretty girl that how you take up a crosses like you? How the hell she take up one little crosses like you? You're such a gigolo. Yeah,
you're right now.
gigolo.
So
Me
make
a
it-
friend,
so-
but me not tell her no
Me just pay $150,000 and you disrespect me?
I work for it's not for free.
Go and go do your
And that
finishing
you
work.
just
Go
say,
finish your
out
work.
of
Go
your
finish
throat.
your work. Go
And
finish
that
your
you
work.
make come out of
Go
your
finish
throat.
your work. Respect and
Finish
manners.
your work.
Favor,
Oh,
thank you very much, favor.
Hello,
Go and
hello.
finish your
No,
work.
no,
Simple
no.
as that. It's
Me
alright.
could have ever get
Good.
150,000 right
Yeah,
now
when
and
say
then go
favor, come
work
try to
again for
respect me.
10,000. That I want another day. Tomorrow, bye. Sorry for you. You're lucky.
Favor, we are the.
Go on, where you go? You think could I ever tell you all about one of the girls if you go tell one next girl? That's damn bright.